A rally by Meghalaya BJP leader A.L. Hek turned into festivity as the current Health and Family Welfare Minister, along with his supporters, was seen grooving to music while on their way to the Deputy Commissioner's office in Shillong on Monday. Hek was also accompanied by Union Minister Jitendra Singh, who was also seen swaying to Hek's election campaign song that says, "Vote for A.L. Hek so that he becomes the Chief Minister." Hek will be contesting from the Pinthormkra constituency in East Khase Hills district and eyeing for his 6th win in a row. Hek, who will be locking horns with his nephew and NPP candidate Rocky Hek, also claimed that he will launch a CBI probe into all corruption-related cases within 6 months if brought to power.
All will be sent to CBI. Nobody will be spared. Nobody will be spared for corruption. I'm telling you. In 6 months, everybody they will be inquiry will be sent to the CBI. I'm telling you. I'm giving assurance to all of you.
Meanwhile, the Union Minister boasted about the developments that took place in Meghalaya during the alliance government.
We didn't have much of rail connectivity over here. We didn't have a proper airport at Shillong, even despite the fact that Shillong is the original capital of the erstwhile state of Assam. So there is such a miraculous transformation that has happened over here. Meghalaya was known to be more for corruption. Now it's known as a development model. There's so much of youth dissatisfaction over here. Youth were hesitant to go out. They didn't find jobs over here. Now we have the hotel and tourism industry all across from India coming over to recruit youth from this place, from northeast and more so from Meghalaya in their industrial assignments. So I think the people now have realized what difference it has made in the last 5 years or so, because earlier on there kind of wrong perceptions and wrong misgivings, wrong propaganda sought to be spread about BJP by the Congress and their allies. But now it's been very clear BJP under Prime Minister Modi follows a policy of development for all, reaching out to all those who need us, raising every section of society with an equitable attention and not tolerating corruption.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to East Mojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.